Good morning, viewers. Hello and welcome to the Morning News Show, where we bring you the latest headlines and insightful stories to kickstart your day. I'm Kuina Sharma and you are watching CNN News 18. On top of this bulletin, we are tracking some important but political showdowns and breaking updates. Now, Mallikarjun Kharge has sparked yet another controversy while promoting the Chhattisgarh candidate. Kharge said this candidate is Shiv Kumar Dharia. His name is Shiv Kumar and ये राम के मुकाबला कर सकता है क्योंकि ये शिव है. And I am Mallikarjun Kharge. मैं भी शिव हूँ. So don't lure people through religious talks. People are clever. BJP has also slammed Kharge for this controversial comment on Ram and Lord Shiva. Now, Shehzad Poonawalla has reached out and said that after attacking Sanatan, Shakti, Ram and Ram Mandir, now anti-Hindu Congress, which always wants to divide and rule, intends of dividing even our Bhagwan. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at the moment. Yet another controversy has come to fore after Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge said these comments. Let's hear out what he had to say.
कैंडिडेट हैं क्या?
शिव कुमार डहरिया।
शिव कुमार डहरिया। देखो इनका भी नाम शिव कुमार। अबे बराबर है, राम का मुकाबला कर सकता है क्योंकि ये शिवा है। मेरा भी मल्लिकार्जुन बोले तो मैं भी शिवा हूं। अष्टलिंग में मेरा एक लिंग है मल्लिकार्जुन के नाम से। तो ऐसे धार्मिक बातें करके लोगों को फंसाओ मत। लोग अब होशियार हो गए।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our senior colleague Pallavi. A very good morning, Pallavi. Yet another controversy, yet another controversial statement. But what actually prompted or led to Mallikarjun Kharge stating all these things?
See, we also have to understand, Kuhina, that when it comes to the Lok Sabha elections, the Ram issue is certainly very much uppermost in the minds of the people, and it's also very much a part of the electoral narrative. Consistently, the Congress has been maintaining their line that the BJP has been using or misusing the word Ram and the Ram Bhakti for political gains. Over here, Mr. Kharge is talking about the fact that our Shiv, which is our candidate, is in close takkar to that of Ram, and similarly, he talks about his own name meaning Shiv. Now, what the problem arises over here is twofold. One, of course, is that you are accusing the BJP of using religion, but you're doing pretty much the same. And the second thing is, why are you making a differentiation between Ram and Shiv, and why are you making it Ram versus Shiv? We saw Shehzad Poonawalla's tweet, and I'm sure through the day, the BJP certainly will rake up this issue, especially the Prime Minister.
Right, Pallavi, thank you so much. We'll change of plans. Pallavi, you just said that when it comes to drawing comparisons, Congress has been time and again slamming BJP, this party which is ruling at the center, for using religious tactics to lure the voters. But they're pretty much doing the same thing. With this controversial statement coming to fore, they've actually served it on platter for BJP to take more out of what the statements have been, political statements and showdown that has been brewing in the run-up for the elections.
Absolutely, Kuhina. This is one area which is very, very tricky for the Congress party, which is why many of the senior Congress leaders often caution that let's not get caught in a trap, let's not get caught in a narrative where the advantage is always going to be with the BJP. Let's not talk about Hindutva, Ram versus Shiv. And as I said, I mean, morning shows the day, and I think the agenda has been set for the BJP. The Prime Minister is going to be doing several rallies today. There is going to be a point-by-point rebuttal, and the PM will make the point that this is the anti-Hindu mindset, whether not attending the Pran Pratishtha or whether it is in terms of questioning the Sanatan Dharma. And now you are pitting gods versus each other. You're making it Ram versus Shiv.
Right, Pallavi, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast as BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla is also joining us on the broadcast. A very good morning, Mr. Poonawalla. Thank you for speaking to CNN News 18. Well, what is your party's stance, especially after hearing what Mallikarjun Kharge had to say in this?
We always know Congress has DNA of divide and rule. So they have divided society, Hindu society on caste lines, on language lines. They are pichda. But to even divide our gods, to even make distinction between Hindu and Hindu, and on the other hand, this party says all Muslims must unite and vote for Congress. So you can see that they want Muslims to unite, but they want to divide the Hindu society. That's why Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Kharge, they use But today, all levels have been stooped to when they are saying that Ram will be fought against by Shiva. This kind of mindset shows the anti-Hindu mindset. And you would remember, Sanatan Samapti, हम शक्ति से लड़ रहे हैं, Ram does not exist, Ram मंदिर जो है वो एक गुलामी की निशानी है, all the abuses by the India Alliance to Ram. And now they are saying that Ram has to be fought, and that too by Shiva. So this shows the anti-Hindu mindset of Congress, and they keep saying, as Pallavi rightly said, they say that religion and politics should not mix. Then what is this? So even on that anvil, their hypocrisy stands exposed.
Right, Mr. Poonawalla, thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18, and I would like to thank Pallavi for bringing in all those details. But right now we are shifting our